My name is Ravindra Mudgul and I joined HRMD for PG Diploma in Clinical Research in July 2024 where I can learn 7 modules like Clinical Trials, Clinical Research, PB, CDM, Medical Writing, Medical Coding and Regulatory Affairs. And then after I get 4 months practical training at Biotech Private Limited Hinjewadi, where I can put what I learn in theory. Then that will apply in practical experience also. And I am like to thank Jyoti ma'am which learn about PD, and Vaishali ma'am, Kiran ma'am that will taught us about the CV preparation and personality development session. And thank you Vaishali ma'am and Kiran ma'am for your constant support. After that I joined Clinical Services as a Clinical Research Coordinator in March 2024. So thank you HRMD for give us a clear vision about clinical research. Yes, thank you.